fuck's sake.
These scones just diverse each in the selection and a half here. The blueberry, the raspberry, strawberry, pumpkin, even which is basically a freaking squash. And then make a scone out of
what the hell was that?
Oh, wow, that shit blows my mind. That's Elon.
But like, I don't think they were in shape. I think they were average dudes who just were willing to do it. I mean, they had fun or whatever. Yeah, I don't think they were workout warriors. They just beat the shit out of themselves, healed up, and shoved things up their butts and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But you don't have to be in shape to be an athlete. I don't know.
I'm not even mad about it. Sitting at the fucking green light.
Been too many things.
I got back to where I have a thing. She was sipping on a Cabernet. She removed the sweater.
What's going on?
Trying to push his way in. It was him honking at people all the way through. He's shoving in front of people and honking at them. Yeah. So specs
For
aren't
a
that.
little bit of brim.
Yeah, but that's still aesthetic.
Yeah.
You want?
Okay, bye.
Jeez.
Don't fucking crash it. I would have cried.
Oh, fuck, dude. What an asshole. Stop? I don't think so. No?
You know what that is? That's just a dog trying to get back in, and people being lazy and not
Christ,
letting
dude.
the dog back in. That's
It's Mr. Clucky Teeth. She slid one hand behind the bunny, and it seemed to twitch in her arms. It's now full.
They put you in a state where you just fix yourself. Like, I grew up with video games where it was always health packs, and it was just like green goo. Like, they shoot green goo in you and you just heal. It's like magic. But, that...
What the fuck are you doing? my god. Dude.
He knows that free hope. It's Friday, and in my brain, I don't give a fuck about no Devo. Let me tell you about my stilo. I'm like Neo versus Magneto, having lightning fights at frightening heights on the top of Jesus in Rio.
Yeah,
I'm Han Solo mixed with CeeLo. Smoke Greedo on.
Fucking doing? Your situation, I'm older than you when it comes to how much like this applies to something. It's very weird. Like, oh hey, okay, and you're gonna fucking turn my way at 1 mile an hour.
Yeah, that's what you're.
Shit, sorry. That dude came up my fucking pillar.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Let's go, buddy. Oh, you saw that guy, didn't you? Yeah, he goes on. I've got some questions. Are you freaking feeling sorry? The people saying that the word is. Sick of hearing this, but who am I talking about? For people who want
Okay, you guys do that.
every order that you read it.
Create Marshfield.
Sound of a crash feeling found at a home inspection. But with the real tour by your side, a newfound leak might only cause minor worries. With their expertise, a realtor can suggest accredited closing and even connect you to a contractor to help with your house.
Fucking god. Here in Boston?
I know.
Like, I would not. Oh, fuck, dude. The fucking Phantom bike is fucked up. That's not nice. Oh, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Jesus. God damn it, man. He's looking back, like, laughing. He's like, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what a fucking mess. Gives a thumbs up.
We have random topics, and we're going to be thinking we have to keep the conversation to those topics. If at any moment that the other person is not getting the topic of conversation in the topic, blow the whistle and reset everything. Anybody's game.
Human, and just wanted to, you know, for the sake of all of us
Oh,
earthlings out there,
okay.
just wanted to say,
Yeah, I saw that coming. Oh, you gonna do it twice? Now he puts the signal on. Okay. Okay, dude. I hate it. Wow, your horn is weak. That was right next to us. I feel like if my windows were closed, I wouldn't have been able to hear that. Moped on the sidewalk. Somebody stopped at a green light. What the fuck is all that? This is just fucking rocks and shit.
This is
What?
rocks. This is rocks in the road. Oh, somebody's out of their car now.
face that guy is a super square face.
All these people know each other. They always came from the same party.
I don't like it. Go anywhere.
I don't know what's happening right now.
Do they really all know?
They
I
all
could
know each
steal
other.
his car. I could steal his car.
Fucking kid.
Oh boy.